Hello everyone. Again, another day, another Monday, fresh trade. I'm sure you all are wondering how the markets will go forward. Well, let me assure you, everything is priced in. Structurally, the markets are reacting to a lot of global news. So we'll talk about it in this video in general and in the coming videos. Today we are going to talk about your favorite stock, ITC, and what's wrong with ITC. Before I start the video, Angel Broking free Demat account link is there in the description. Please click right away after watching the video. Click on the description link and open a free Demat account for yourself or your family members with Angel Broking. Guys, ITC के ऊपर इतने questions आते हैं whenever we put a video or whenever we have an interaction like you saw last week we had with Mr. Rakesh Tanna. Invariably, I think everyone has resigned to the fact that it's one of their favorite stocks. And I don't understand why. I mean, why this fascination for ITC? The stock does not know that you have bought it, so it is not going to react to you. अब बहुत सिंपल बात है दे आर इनटू टोबैको प्रोडक्ट्स एंड दे आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सपांड इनटू FMCG and hotel chains and all of that. So they recently had a presentation with some of the mutual fund owners about last 2 days back, and they gave a plan of action that how they want to slowly try and come out of the tobacco based business, not come out of it, but the reliance and the dependence they want to do is more on FMCG products, and उनका FMCG में बहुत अच्छा नाम है. But guys, if ITC earns 100 rupees, the profit of the company is 38 rupees, right? So it takes home 38 rupees. That is the beauty of the company. Fundamentally, it is very good. But as I told you in my earlier interactions, videos, I mean, we all are kind of swamped with queries on ITC. It takes its time. You cannot depend on it for your monthly income or your annual income. If it gives a fresh breakout, then it will give you good returns, but the stock normally takes quite a good amount of time to come to that stage. So you cannot plan or you cannot predict particularly this stock movement, because it's, as I said, it's the dependency is quite a lot on government policies. I mean, like today the state government announced something on loose cigarettes, so the stock will react. It can react this way or that way. So that way the stock is pretty dicey, and it's stable. The company in itself is stable, but you cannot expect it to give you guaranteed returns. It moves in its own pace. So if somebody is holding on to ITC, again I'm repeating, it's a long term stock. It's a stock that you really need to hold on to make some good returns. And there are other good stocks that you can keep checking. Don't just cling on to one company. As we say, if you have diversified your portfolio, see, look at ITC itself. They diversified their portfolio. 70% of their revenue comes from cigarettes, right? And they realize ki, boss, it's not going to work like that. So now they are moving. But for a company to move completely away from their bread and butter, it will take a lot of time. I mean, it will take a lot of years, I think, for ITC. So all those factors put into account, I think we should not be too hopeful on one end, and we should not be too disappointed also when the stock doesn't perform, right? Especially this stock. That's why I gave a shout out for this particular stock, right? So look at other stocks that we have recommended. Look at others, expand your portfolio, give it diversification. Don't just keep depending or repenting both on one stock. Take care, guys. I'll see you very soon in the next round of videos. All the best.